Unlocking Hidden Secrets, the spiritual power of food. What if I told you that your next meal could connect you to something ancient, powerful, and spiritual? Welcome to the first episode of Food for Body and Soul. Today, we are diving into one of the oldest stories ever told, the creation of the world and the mysterious power of the food in the Garden of Eden. We all know food keeps us alive, but in the Bible, food is more than just survival. Stick around, because by the end of this episode, you'll see how food has always been about something much deeper, a connection to the divine. Unlocking Hidden Secrets, the spiritual power of food. In the beginning, there was nothing. Then God spoke, and the universe came alive, light and darkness, land and sea. But at the center of this masterpiece, God planted a garden. And this wasn't just any garden. This was Eden, where everything was perfect. God filled Eden with every kind of tree, beautiful to the eye and good for food. Genesis 2:9 says, "The Lord God made all kinds of trees grow, pleasing to the eye and good for food." In Eden, food wasn't just about filling our stomachs. It was about beauty, harmony, and, above all, connection with God. Imagine eating in a world where every bite reminded you of the Creator. That was Eden, where food nourished not only your body but your spirit. And let's talk about the two trees that changed everything, the tree of life and the tree of the knowledge of good and evil. God gave Adam and Eve a choice. The fruit from these trees wasn't just about physical hunger. It represented a spiritual choice, a test of trust. When they ate from the tree of knowledge, it broke the harmony between humanity and God, between body and spirit. This one bite changed the course of history. Walking through paradise, every piece of fruit was a gift from God, a reminder of His goodness. But with one decision, everything was shattered. The moment they ate from the wrong tree, food became a source of division instead of unity. But here's the question: can food still connect us spiritually, even after the fall? These days, we often see food as just fuel to get through the day. But in the Bible, food is always about something bigger. It's about relationships, community, and spiritual meaning. Think about when you share a meal with your family or friends. It's not just about eating. It's about connection, laughter, and sometimes even healing. What if every meal could remind us of Eden, of the perfect relationship we once had with God? As we continue this series, we are going to dig deeper into how food plays a powerful role in God's story, from the miraculous manna in the desert to the sacred meals Jesus shared with His disciples. Every meal we eat today is a chance to reconnect with that original story in Eden. Food is more than just nourishment, it's a reminder of God's provision, both for our bodies and our souls. What if your next bite could remind you of something eternal? We are just getting started on this journey of exploring food in the Bible. Next time, we'll see how God used food to shape and guide His people throughout history. From miraculous feasts to moments of hunger, food was, and still is, a way God communicates with us. Let's rediscover how what we eat today can bring us closer to God and each other. If you're ready to see food in a whole new light, hit that subscribe button and come along for the journey.